Hi, ma'am and sir. I am Anami Sodas. I am a Filipino. I am 33 years old and a single mother of two kids. I am currently in Singapore and my current employer, she is alone and travels a lot. Her son goes to NS and therefore she doesn't need a helper anymore. And my previous employer, I have experienced 8 years working with them. Uh, I go home last year because my father died, and my job there is taking care of kids, taking care of cats, cooking, cleaning, and I can cook simple dishes and also I can follow a simple recipe. Thank you, mom and sir.